In this video, we're going to start with how to do a recording on Speakpipe. Okay, so you just Google it, and you should land on this page that says free online voice recorder. On any others, you'll have to pay. So this is a free one, and all you need to do is to record. Just click on the green button that says start recording. Allow access to the microphone. Now we are testing to record. You're going to get your students to speak to the microphone, and you can get them to repeat a sentence or read a little bit from a sample from a book. If they want, they can speak in Arabic, and then they can start writing it down, or they can say it to a voice to text software and have a record of it and translate. That's how they will learn how to write if they're really low level. So you need to save it in software, of course. Make sure you click on software, you put a name of the student. You have to do that so that you can actually save it on software. Once it's uploading the audio up on the internet, you can have a record of it in your computer. So the idea is the teacher can actually record the student's voice. However, you must make sure that you can click here, open in a new window, like that. Because what it does is that it lets you download. So this is very important that you can download the voice. Okay. So here it is here. This is the MP3 of the student's voice. You can then open that MP3 and listen to it. Right? They really love listening to